darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Are we living? Are we loving? I bought this top, oh my God, I think in Harrods, and they were having a sale, and I just kind of sort of loved this. I think I've done a reel showing this, like with a white skirt. It's just so cute. And then I did my hair into a little bun, and then, you know, yummy earrings from Zara, as always, my go-to. All right, sweets, this is a sister to sister. My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome. Let's sit back and enjoy and kick it. You guys keep me busy, and you know what, I'm grateful because why? Because mama uploads every day. I live for it. I really do. It's my job. I enjoy it. So today's episode, you guys sent me a DM about NFL player Juwan Johnson's wife. They had received backlash. Well, the wife had received backlash seemingly because in a video explaining to all of us that his money was her money. So before I continue, why don't you guys go ahead and listen to what she had to say. Let's start there. I think that would help, you know.
I cannot say that I agree with this one. When we get paid, I will spend as much money as I want because it's our money, and he decided to marry me. And I do everything that he wants, like I'll cook and clean and stuff like that. And when he makes money, I'm gonna spend it. And that's just what marriage is. Like, you don't have to get married. As soon as we became one, whatever is his is also mine. So I pretty much live my life as I please. And that's just the way it is.
And where was this? Are we living, my darlings? Are we loving? All right, I will say this. She's absolutely right. They are man and wife, and it is entirely up to him to decide how he wants to, you know, spoil his wife, take care of his wife. That's his wife. And like she said, she does stuff around the house, but he loves her, you know, and so he can do with his money as he wishes. I'm going to step aside for a hot minute, very quickly. I remember once Ula proposed, and I said yes. We were not even married at the time. Once he proposed, Ula took care of all of the bills. I will never forget. He said, "What kind of bills do you have over there in Cali?" And I said, And I told him, and he said, "I'm sending you money for the bills." And I was in California. He proposed when? We met in March, 17th of March. I'll never forget. He proposed in May because I went to see him in May. I came back. Quincy was born 22nd. I got back 28th. Yeah. I got back, I think, a week after she was born. Yeah, May. He proposed end of May. And we got married on the 7th of July. And he paid all the bills and everything. It took me to October before I could pack everything to go to Norway. He paid for everything. Moved to Norway. He paid for everything. I didn't have a job. I got some acting gigs and I got a film, feature film. But other than that, he just gave me a card that extended to his account, and I spent what I needed. That is facts. He still does it till this very day. I make money here and there on YouTube and stuff like that. Yes, I do. But Ula still pays. I did an episode where I had talked about how one day Ula hadn't come down the stairs. I had spent the night with Adrian in his bedroom. And I was like, oh my God, what do I do? If anything happens, could I take care of myself? And that was when I really took it seriously. That was during lockdown. And of course, I have savings of which he knows. And we don't touch. That's for you, for me, whatever, whenever. But he takes care of everything. Adrian, house, everything. Everything. That's what he has always done. That's what his father did, you know. There are guys that do that. That is really what husbands, fathers, they do. They are king of the castle. They take care of their own. So there's nothing wrong with that as far as I am concerned. And I think that we should be minding our own business regardless of what wifey has to say. Now, this is what I will say about wifey. I think it was condescending the way she spoke. I can spend his money. I can do anything. I can be whatever I like. I can do whatever I like. I can spend any kind of money that I like. People don't like that. Actually, it's not pleasant. The way that she spoke about it, it wasn't pleasant and it wasn't necessary. What is the point? We know these sports guys make money. As a matter of fact, one of you guys pointed it out because I had said that I would never date an athlete again. And then somebody said, Fumi, but you married an athlete because Ula is a national swim champion. So yes, I did. Let me own up. I didn't think of it that way because Ula had retired. We were retired by the time we got married. But yes, I ended up marrying an athlete. So we know how much athletes earn, even once they've retired. But I think that it is very unnecessary for you to talk about money in that way. Most especially when the mainstream don't earn that kind of money and don't live that kind of way. It just wasn't necessary. I just thought it was in bad taste because we can see what you're wearing. We can see where you're living. We can see that you're doing okay. It wasn't necessary for you to behave like that. And that is the backlash, I think. Because left to me, it's not my business how your hubby spends his money. It's not my business how your hubby spends money on you. As a matter of fact, real, I'm happy that you're living your best life because I want all of my sisters to live their very best lives. But one thing, save, sis. Save. Save, save, save. Make sure that you got a little something on the side for you anytime in case of the unexpected. That's all that I'm going to say about that. As far as I am concerned, it's none of our business. All this backlash, 11.8 thousand comments on what she said. How is this my business? Why do I care? You know, it's the energy that she brought up and it's not pleasant, you know. But it's her money too. Yeah, they are a couple. They are a married couple. And so she cooks, she cleans, she takes care of the home just like I do. Just like it's expected. I think for me, it was the way she spoke about it. Somebody's saying, if she was black, you all wouldn't be saying this. Somebody wrote down in the comments. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I don't think that we should even take what she says seriously. Maybe she was trying to be funny and it rubbed people up the wrong way. That's life, you know, it is what it is. But girlfriend, what I know that should never, ever, ever be funny, take care of you. Always, and make sure you have savings. I have savings. I save all of the money I make and I spend Ula's. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Quite as it's kept. We've been married happily going on 14 years and there's no complaints at all. And I take very good care of the home, take care of him, take care of Adrian, as you guys very well know. And, you know, I come out here every day and you and I bond and we talk about all kinds of things. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think about this. For me, it's kind of sort of straightforward, but I just thought, you know what, let me talk about it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button and give me some super thanks, child. All of my love, darlings. All of my love. Love you. Bye.